So hello guys, I Sondeep like with you all. Today I will make you understand about the Newton's second law of motion. So it is the blank page. I will here give you the explanation and the equations. So please like, comment and subscribe. Like करना free होता है, subscribe करो अच्छा अगर अच्छा लगे तो. So at first I will give you the explanation. When a force is applied to a body at rest, it is set in motion. There is so, first line you understand, I think, when a force is applied to at rest, it is set in motion, there is change in velocity, and hence there is change in momentum. Momentum P is equal to mv, mass into velocity. Then we will get momentum. If a greater force is applied, a greater change in velocity takes place, and hence there will be greater change in momentum. This leads to Newton's second law of motions. The rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to applied force and take uh, place in the direction of force. So the Newton's second law helps us to measure the force. So F is equal to ma. F is equal to mass into acceleration. So the initial velocity is equal to p1 is equal to mu. So the final velocity is equal to the p2 is equal to mv. The change in momentum is equal to delta p is equal to p2 minus p1. Now the delta t is the change in time. Delta t is nothing but a change of time. So according to the law, F A delta P by delta T. Don't get confused because it is the equation, full equation, but not the real equation. F A M V minus U means not real. I think it is the step by step explanation. So if in the exam the marks given 5 that tell the Newton's second law of motion and give the full explanation of the equation. So you have to write this full from initial velocity. I am writing the extra part. So by t equals to a is equal to v minus u by t. Then if ma is equal to f is equal to kma, but this is not the final equation. Here k is the constant. K is the constant. Okay. The unit of force is so defined as to make the value of k equal to 1. A force of 1 unit acting on a body of 1 unit mass produces in it an acceleration of 1 unit. So the final is F is equal to ma, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Force is the vector quantity, don't get confused, but direction in the same object the acceleration. The vector quantity which it will have the direction as well as the magnitude. So force is the vector quantity, not a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity has only the magnitude, not the direction. Velocity is also a vector quantity. So guys, if not understand, you can tell me in the comment. I will make you understand. So guys, bye till today. I will come with the new video. Please like, comment and subscribe my video so that I can get more interest to post in my YouTube channel Golden Tiger Gaming. So guys, bye till today. Take care, be safe and fight against together against this coronavirus. Bye bye guys.